Yes, very good morning, students. Yes, now take out your EVS book and we have already done till chapter number 5. All exercises of chapter number 5, right? Yes, so today we are going to learn or revise chapter 6. The chapter 6 the name of chapter is We Need Shelter. So now let's start exercises. So first one is complete the following sentences. So first one is a house keeps us safe from heat, गर्मी heat, cold, rain and storm. Second one is dash and dash are portable house. So tent and houseboat are portable house. Tent and houseboat. Portable means we carry from one place to another place easily. And floor is the surface of a room. Surface of a room that you walk on. That you walk on. Now, fourth is an apartment is a house in a multi-storied building. In a multi-storied building. And fifth one is roofs shelter the house from rain. An electrician fits the electrical wires. Electrical, electrical wires, wires, electrical wires, lights, fans and bulbs. A house keeps us safe from heat, cold, rain and storm. STORM. Next one is tent, TENT, tent and houseboat, HOUSE, house, BOAT, boat are portable houses. And floor is the surface of a room that you walk on. Fourth one is an apartment is a house in a multi-storied building. And roofs shelter the house from rain. Sixth one is an electrician fits the electrical wires, lights, fans and bulbs. So now write true or false. A pakka house is stronger than a portable house. Yes, this is very true statement. So we write TRUE, true. And most people in cities live in portable house. This is false. Most people in cities live in pakka house. So this is false. We must not scribble on the walls of the house. This is true. Yes, this is true. Bungalow are big houses with lawns in front. Yes, very true statement. And a carpenter fits a water pipe and taps. A carpenter makes furniture, not fits up water pipes and taps. A plumber fits the water pipes and taps, right? So this is false. And a house has a floor on the top. A house has a floor on the top. False. Keep your house free from cobwebs. Yes, very true. Yes, so revise and learn exercises of chapter 6. Okay, thank you so much class and have a nice day.